Today we will discuss the meaning of some of the figurative language used in our class novel, Pride and Prejudice. Remember, figurative language evokes the reader's senses and often means something different than its connotative or literal definition. Metaphor, simile, hyperbole, and personification are just a few examples of different types of figurative language. One example of a metaphor from Shakespeare's As You Like It is all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. Let's take a look at a couple of examples in the novel. When Mr. Collins is discussing Lady Catherine's daughter, Anne, he states, "Her indifferent state of health unhappily prevents her being in town, and by that means, as I told Lady Catherine one day, has deprived the British court of its brightest ornament." Now, Anne is obviously not an actual ornament, so what does Mr. Collins mean when he calls her one? I believe he means that Anne is so esteemed and so beautiful that she is highly regarded and appreciated in society, much like we appreciate beautiful decorations. Later in the novel, when Elizabeth discusses how wrong her impressions of Darcy and Wickham were, she explains, "Had I been in love, I could not have been more wretchedly blind." In this sentence, she is stating just how wrong she was by comparing her metaphorical blindness she experienced in character judgment to the metaphorical blindness people feel when they are in love. Now, I would like you to analyze some figurative language in the novel. Scan through the book and find two examples of figurative language. On your paper, write the quote and the page number, then write what the quote literally means, like how Collins literally called Anne an ornament, and what it figuratively means. Collins was actually calling Anne beautiful. Let me know if you have any questions.